Hello guys, in today's section we will be checking another amazing feature that is available through Prisma, and that will be Prisma Studio. So what is a Prisma Studio? It is so usually we always tend to have troubles with connecting or checking our tables or databases in the UI. You don't want to do CLI, or if you have difficulties in understanding how to check the tables through the CLI commands, um, you tend to use something similar along the line dbeaver or datakib to showcase or to see whatever data you have in your database. Another thing we tend to use is phpMyAdmin or anything that is web-based. Amazingly, Prisma gives us this out of the box, and we don't have to do anything regarding that. We just have to run through the CLI. So what we need to do is, in order to use this amazing feature, just mention yarn Prisma Studio. So at the moment you say yarn Prisma Studio, it will run if the port is available. It will run on localhost 5555. So we'll open our Firefox here, and we will open here. Let me close that. Localhost 5555. Now this is particularly clean, minimal. You'll be able to see all the tables that you have in your database, and you'll check it through here, recent opened. That's what I opened before. So here, all models, I'll be able to check the models and the type of data I have in our database. Amazingly, you could check out, you could delete things, and those particular stuff, whatever you want to do with your database. You could even add records. You could add additional data in your database, and that will be doe, and I'll say doe and gmail.com and doe123. So I added this new record, and it has added it automatically with the ID generated. Yeah, you could try using that UI if you have troubles in connecting with the database, or you don't know how to connect with it. You could just use yarn Prisma Studio, and this feature is, I think, very sufficient for any kind of project that you tend to do. Yeah, so in the next video we are going to go to our next chapter, right? So anything that is, we have done all the features. We covered all the basic features through Prisma, and in the next chapter we'll be starting with more about Prisma models and the relationship between tables. That's it. Yeah, take care.